Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Cloud free trial billing alerts step by step clearly. To activate Google Cloud free trial billing alerts, start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select the billing option. In the billing section, find and click on Account Management in the submenu. Look for the Billing Alerts tab within the Account Management section. Click on Create Alert to start the process of setting up your billing alert. Choose the alert type that you prefer, either budget or usage. If you selected budget, define your budget limit for the alert. Set the notification conditions based on your specified budget percentage. You can choose to receive alerts for different thresholds, such as 50% or 90% of your budget. Provide the email addresses where you want the alerts to be sent. For usage, select the type of service usage you want to monitor. Set the notification conditions for usage alerts based on your preferences. Make sure to review all the settings to ensure they meet your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Create button to finalize your alert setup. After creating the alert, you should see it listed under the Billing Alerts section. Your Google Cloud free trial billing alerts are now active and ready to use. Remember to monitor your emails for updates regarding your billing status. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.